Hey, my name is Ash. We are here in Niagara Falls in the United States of America, and in this video we are going to tour a Niagara Falls waterfall tour. Come with me. Look at my back. We are in Niagara Falls in the United States of America. 5-minute walks away from the waterfall, and it looks like this. I don't understand why. This is one of the most beautiful touristic attractions in North America. To attend a 3 hours long tour from the American part to the waterfall, we'll go by the ferry and we'll go to a cave or elevator or to the top, I'm not sure, but they will take us around the waterfall.
Hallod-e? Anyuci, nézem, mit csinál.
We met with Jessica, with our tour guide for tonight's tour. Here we clearly can see the Niagara Falls. It contains three different waterfalls. We are currently on the American side, and at my back you can see the Canadian side. There is a boat going to the waterfall. They are in red, which means that they are from Canada, because the American side gets blue jackets. We are going to the elevator. At my back you can see the Rainbow Bridge, which connects Canada and the United States of America. So that is the Canadian part, and this is the American part. That definitely is an American boat. Thank you. We got it against the water. Look at there, guys. It's stunning. It's absolutely amazing. Come on, Blues. Here is the American port. You will go from here, and there are the Canadians. I had to put my sunglasses on because the sun started to shine again, and it's so hot, especially because of the humidity. There is our captain, or here is, I can decide it.
How are you, sir? Good, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. We are on the boat. We got the best spots on the boat. The front side, upper front. Look around. Yeah, it's crazy. No travels here.
Yo, what's good, guys?
According to my opinion, I really recommend the boat ride from the American side because it's less crowded. So I clearly can see that at Canadian boats there are a lot of people, but here just look around. It's very comfortable. Look at the ride. We are going very fastly. It's amazing. This is the first waterfall. I think this is the American fall, if I'm right. Wow, the wind started to go crazy. Wow. Just a moment. Ooh. Okay, there is a ramp to walk. Niagara Falls is on the Niagara River, which connects the Lake Ontario with the Lake Erie. So it's a connection between two of the Great Lakes. Since the Gemini is my really good friend, I learned that 90% of the fishes survives the jump or the fall with the waterfall, and these birds here are waiting for them, and they are a little they try to catch them and eat them. There are the Canadians. Let's wave to them. What's up, Canada? Oh, they're waving us back. Good job, good job, good job, Canada. And we are getting closer to the main waterfalls. Currently, I'm getting a lot of water to my face from the waterfalls, but oh, it's so good experience. It's very good because it's very hot. Ooh. And here is the rainbow. We still can see the rainbow. We're getting a lot of water. It's amazing. Look at here. It's beautiful. Oh, my face gets a lot of water, just like my phone. But it's waterproof. My face and my phone as well. Both are waterproof. Guys, we came out. We all got wet. Everyone on the board. It was so good. There are the Canadians coming. Let's wave them again. Stop, Canada! Look at this view. Observer deck, waterfall, some natural beauties, and the Niagara Falls, Canada, Ontario skyline. It's amazing. Okay.
Small country with only 10 million population. They had a population over 150 million. 150 million against the 10 million, it's kind of, kind of add.
Yeah.
So that's why it falls.
Here is $10,000 and
That's not too much.
of one night in
That's
jail.
not too much for the
No.
father, he says.
Yeah, that's fine. We
Over
pay
on
for
the
it
other
because
side, it's
yeah.
25,000, but their money is different, so I don't know what that
Yeah.
equals.
Okay, so that's...
And are they going to arrest me?
Yes, there is
Oh.
a mandatory day
So
in jail.
Oh.
You so choose.
That's the bigger problem. Because if we have to pay $10,000, that's not a problem because we got a viral video which
Right,
brings the
right.
money back, but the prison is prison. That's not good. You can go.
Exactly. So you guys enjoy the air conditioning.
Thank you, Captain. After the boat tour, we came. Look at this guy.
Bro, I got a shower like 10 times.
We are going where all those people are on that point. It's called
Waterfall 12,000 years ago was down there, maybe 7 miles down on the river, and the waterfall is so powerful, which means that it smashes the ground under it, so he wins space, which means that the Goat Island where we are in 5,000 years will be demolished, smashed by the Niagara River, and the waterfall will be much bigger, but the American waterfall has an end because it will be the same with the Canadian ones. I think I'm not going to see it because I'm not planning to live 5,000 years, but maybe if YouTube will stand up till then and you are watching this video, comment, see how it looks like now. And here we can see Nikola Tesla. We talked about him earlier on this channel in Maribor because he was banned from Slovenia. Then he did something here, maybe a system with the waterfall and with the river. Look at my back, we are near the American Fall, and clearly can see it from above, and it's beautiful. I think this is the biggest. So no, I don't think. I know that this is the biggest, and I think it's the greatest and the most beautiful waterfall in North America. The last point in our tour, we'll go down to the cave, but before it we'll watch a 20 minutes movie about something. I'm not sure about what. We understood it wrongly. The video is only 5 minutes long. It looks like we are in a treasure. Wow. Yeah, stylish place, very creative. We arrived down by the elevator. That's it. Oh, people are coming on the other side. They are all wet. Wow. We got another jacket. This time it's yellow. Look at here, look around. There are the Canadian waterfalls, and we'll go to the American waterfall. Just how I mentioned earlier, here are a lot of birds. They are so loud. They are trying to get the fishes who fell down on the waterfall. Just how you can see, we are under the American Falls, and here we can do a run. I have to say that next to this rock and next to a waterfall, and there is a skyline, these birds give a very special thing. They're loud, so yeah, you can feel that you are near water. But I'm scared of these birds, just how I mentioned in a lot of videos. What was that? Look at there. If I'm right, when I was talking, I felt something. I don't know what was that, but maybe I got bird on my jacket. Wow. Look at this power. Wow, now I understand. Now I clearly understand why they are smashing the rocks and the ground. Stop, Captain! We are getting so much water again. We are getting so much water. I see my face just like you and it's like in the shower, Just look at them. How powerful is the waterfall there? Let's get into there. Let's get into there. I got one. Guys, my biggest advice, come in flip-flops. Let's get a flip-flop or fuck a bird. Or just bring your own flip-flops, but don't come in a shoe, right? Don't come in a shoe.
Bro, oh my gosh, like, there's so much water in my shoes right now, it's actually crazy.
Whoa. I'm scared of these birds. I have to go down. We finished our tour with our guide Jessica. Now we will eat something as dinner. We are here at the Hard Rock Cafe. This is my dinner, a burger with fries. But yeah, look around on table. We are eating tonight. The waterfall, the American Fall, is under lights till 1 a.m. every day. And yeah, there was this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel and like the video if you enjoyed watching this. Goodbye.